BSR, Basar, basically means for something to act prematurely and incompletely. Basar al Damul, he popped the blister before it became ripe. Al Basar, everything that is fresh, for instance, a date which is not ripe. With this meaning, the Quran says he made a face. Also mean to look at someone, Basar, despicably, those it would mean raising the eyebrows and make a face. One believes that eating unripe basar fruits mean distaste in the mouth, hence become mean distasteful. At another place, it is said 75:2 for that day there will be some distorted faces. Ibn Faris think it means number one, the state of something prior to ripening completion. Number two, the reduction in movement of something or for it to stop before its time. He sought Basarur Rajul Haja to fulfill his needs in the place where they could not be fulfilled.